Say hi to everybody. This is Orlando.
Oh, what's going on?
There, in between my eyeballs.
Oh, fantastic.
Better than between my other balls.
Oh, absolutely.
So, wow, dude, you got this thing stripped out.
It's almost there. It's getting ready.
Holy
Pull it all
cow.
out.
Did you get the deep socket
Yeah,
that you
I
needed?
went to Advance and grabbed it while you're home.
Cool.
Yep, so
What exactly do we got to do?
we're basically going to just have to lift the car up a little because apparently it's too low to clear the hoist.
Okay.
And then just loosen up the mounts. Everything's already been detached, and I'm going to kind of pivot the engine to the point where we can get it all out as an assembly.
Wow. And then the transmission's coming with it?
Yep, everything's coming with.
Holy cow.
So hopefully it makes for a smooth uninstall.
That's exciting. You're doing pretty good, man. For not doing this for a while, this is pretty badass. We're almost there. If you notice, it's still daylight out. Ah, there it goes. Oh.
Looks like she should be able to rock and roll with that. It's not something away, but we'll just start getting this up things.
Oh man, there it goes. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, dude. This man deserves a cookie.